Think about the eagle as it soars, its anahata chakra shining down upon Mother Earth, floating on the breeze.
Garuda, freedom, and can be translated to the Sanskrit word moksha, or something that we all know well, nirvana. So continue to breathe. Take your hands by your sides, lift up through your heart space, and let's flow. Follow along. Inhale, stand up on your knees. Exhale, lace your fingers and press them up. Inhale, open up your arms, lean back. Exhale, have a seat, bring your hands forward. Inhale, Garuda Mudra, go for it. Exhale, press your energy out. Inhale, open up your wings. Exhale, drop your right arm, lift your left arm high. Inhale, lean over towards your right. Exhale, reach a little further, press your palm into the earth. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, drop your left arm down. Breathe in, lean over to the left. Exhale, reach a little further. Breathe in, both arms up. Exhale, float your arms down.
Again, inhale, lift all the way up. Exhale, clasp and press to the sky. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, sit with your palms together. Inhale, Garuda Mudra, fingers wide. Exhale, press. Inhale, open wide. Exhale, your left hand down, your right hand up. Breathe in. Breathe out, side body stretch. Inhale, both arms high. Inhale, your left hand, right hand down, your left hand up. Breathe in. Breathe out further. Both arms up. Exhale, all the way down.
More flow. Let's go. Breathe in, lift. Exhale, lace and press. Inhale, soar your arms open, lean back. Exhale, have a seat. Bring your hands forward. Inhale, Garuda Mudra. Spread your fingers wide. Exhale, moksha. Breathe in, open up your arms. Exhale, drop your right arm down, lift your left arm. Inhale, lean over to the right. Exhale, reach your fingers long. Breathe in, both arms high. Exhale, drop your left arm down. Inhale, lean over. Press the heel of your left palm into the earth firmly. Beautiful. Breathe in, both arms up. Exhale, float, open.
Maybe close your eyes and feel the rhythm as you rise. Exhale, press. Inhale, open your arms, express your heart. Close and sit all the way down. Palms together. Breathe in and breathe out, press. Another breath in and another breath out. Both arms up. Exhale, open wide.
You know it. Let's flow. Let's dance. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lace and press. Breathe in, open up, float, open. Exhale, have a seat on your perch. Inhale, Garuda Mudra. Exhale, press. Breathe in and open. Exhale, drop your right arm, lift your left arm up. Press firmly into Mother Earth and feel your side body as you go further. Breathe in, both arms up. Nice and gentle, just float your arm down. Inhale, up and over. Breathe in and down. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, float down. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, tuck your toes, downward facing dog. Walk your dog out. Breathe in, everybody. Walk your feet to your hands. Exhale, forward fold. Drop your